Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance interview tips. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon button so that you will receive latest notification. Today's video we will discuss about EPAM system off campus drive. It's a very good opportunity for the all final year students as well as BE Tech MEM Tech candidates for the 2021 batches. So let's get started. They are hiring, EPAM is hiring for junior software engineer position. CTC will be very good. I'm going to tell you and also tell you the registration process. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. So eligibility criteria, mainly 2021 graduates are eligible. Education and criteria, they have given BE Tech MEM Tech in any engineering streams, graduate with minimum of 60% marks from graduation, from 10th to graduation board. Okay, so your job location will be mainly either of Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, or Gurgaon, that is Gurugram. Mainly the training location is Hyderabad. So your training going to happen in Hyderabad. The hiring process, mainly one round will happen for coding, online coding assessment round, followed by technical and HR interview. So more details will be shared with the registered email IDs for the eligible candidates. Mainly the CTC or the salary, they are offering 6 lakhs per annum plus standard benefits. So very good opportunity for the freshers. So a candidate who are applying in the past 6 months can also apply. It's a very good thing. You will not find this thing in any other IT jobs. Candidates who applied the exam and did not clear the take an HR interview in last 6 months are not eligible. Selected candidate will be onboarded on either in January 2022 or February 2022. So during registration, you have to choose your preferred technology among which you will going to work at EPAM. Based on your interest, training you have to go through, and below technologies there actually provides or they actually works like Microsoft .NET, C Sharp, and front-end technologies like JavaScript, Angular, React, Node.js, and also Java. So these three things basically there in EPAM. First round of online assessment will happen 4th of December tentatively. Last date of registration is 2nd December 12 p.m. So for further details or time slot, that will be emailed to the candidate who are doing their registration. Okay, so if you are interested, click on the apply link. Form will be open to you, a Microsoft form. So if you are interested for Java, JS, or .NET, you have to mention it there. Okay, so any BE Tech, any MTech branches are eligible, and with or without relevant trainings either on Java, JavaScript, Angular, React.js, or C Sharp, ASP.NET, ADO.NET, along with data structure algorithms, object oriented programming knowledges are eligible. So, as I discussed every details with you, so in which technology you are going to choose, you can click on any of that link in which you are if you have interest, like I have shown you the .NET one. So if you click on that link, that web page will be open to you. So next, what you need to do, you have to fill this form, like in which area you have your interest, you would like to prefer your details, and your graduation details, as well as what is your graduation year. 2021 graduates are eligible only, and also the your address, your state of residence, and how you have come to know about EPAM. Then you have to click on next. Then few criterias other than these you have to fill up. Then you will be able to apply. Okay, so simple process. So now I'm going to showing you that link, uh, like this Microsoft.NET link. You can just go through that what is the job details there. So as of now that page is not responsive, so I hope this will open later also. As of now too much traffic is there in that website. So I think I have cleared your doubt. If you have still doubt, please let me know in the comment box, and let me know If you want to know more about it, how to register for it or how to prepare for this examination, let me know. I will definitely try to help you. So thanks for watching and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel to get this type of videos. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Take care guys.